Staying at the historic Walker Inn bed and breakfast. And what it's historic for, I don't know. I just got here. But the baby's asleep, taking a nap. And there's the kitchen. They're gonna fix us breakfast in the morning. Nice little place though. Beautiful old house. We're gonna go in town. We're in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. And we're going to a gun show tomorrow in Manchester, but we just come in town. Got a few little shops. I got a nice little cafe. And we're staying upstairs. And go outside. Aggravate Jessica. Mommy, you're on camera. Say hey, you're on camera. Jessica's out here having a glass of wine. Quaint little town. There's a boarding school. It's a private Christian school. And this ain't too far outside of Nashville. There's a lot of money around here. You see the kids walking down just, I don't know, a block up the road. Webb School. It's a lot of money around here, and all these rich people in Nashville send their kids here. Anyways, we're going to get something to eat in a minute.